So this is my Babyhawk-R right now. 2.5-inch arms installed from Taco RC, Gym Fan, 2540, 2.5-inch props, Fox Ear Predator, no jello, everything's working great. Let's take a look at what happened on my first test flight of 29 seconds with the 2.5-inch arms and props. Everything's looking good, everything's feeling good, and boom. I probably couldn't have hit the Babyhawk in a worse spot. And I ended up breaking the dipole off, which fried the VTX, and also broke the canopy. So now that everything is back together and running smooth, I wanted to go ahead and test out some of the new 3S Pids that I've seen on the Facebook group. I'm not sure if these are the Pids that are being put into the 3-inch. I've heard that there's actually 2 sets of preloaded Pids on there. But going from the 2-inch to the 2.5-inch definitely needed a little bit of something. The 2-inch Pids work, and I'll show you some flight footage from that. But the Pids that are out now just are a lot better. So let's take a look at them. So these come from Emax themselves. Just my own rates that I'm using on here. Definitely a departure from what they were. The original 2-inch Pids were basically just Betaflight stock Pids with some set point weight and transition changes, and also some filter tunings. This set of Pids, they've changed the filter terms, low passes again, and also have adjusted the Pid levels. Alright, so here we are. These are the stock 3S Pids that come on the Babyhawk for basically for 2-inch. And it flies great even on 2.5. And there's just nothing really bad to say about them at all. It's just a perfect mix and a perfect feel. But the video clip coming up with the new Pids is just, this is great. These things are so locked in. These are the new Pids that I'm even going for little gaps and stuff like that now. So that is how locked on and perfect these new Pids are. And with just 2.5-inch 3S, just how perfect everything is. I've worked on the DVR here a little bit to try to simulate the speed as far as what it actually is in real life. We all know the Fat Shark DVR does like weird thing with the video and like slows it down. So this is about probably just a little bit slower and choppier than regular speed, but it's a good representation without making it look too crazy. So these are the new Pids that I displayed, and like I said, I'm not sure if these are coming stock on the 3-inch or not, but they were on the Facebook group, and I wanted to throw these out there. I've also got some 4S Pids from some guys to work on as soon as I get my adapter cables to charge XT30 to XT60 4S on my balance board, since my XT30 balance board only does up to 3S. But honestly, 3S on this is just perfect. There's just hardly any prop wash, hardly any oscillation or anything at all. It's just full and total control. Now, I did go and start flying my reverb after I flew this, so anybody who says that a micro is just as good as a 5-inch, no, it's not. But, you know, it's definitely fun and a good learning tool. I noticed that it makes me fly a little bit more aggressive, and which is a good thing because that's what I'm trying to learn to do to be a better pilot. But I've also found that that translates over to flying a little bit crazier on my 5-inch and kind of like going, whoa, hopefully I don't crush this thing because they're a little bit more expensive to repair. But anyway, that's it, guys. Talk to you later.